Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump relay is located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we need to do is pop our hood. Now we're going to go to this fuse box right here. Pinch these two tabs and lift. That opens our fuse box here. There's a diagram on the back here that will tell you what everything is. And it's going to tell you that this right here is your fuel pump relay. So hopefully this is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching and have a good one.